Hi everyone! We have already learned a lot about uploading videos to YouTube. Today, I'm going to explore editing those videos. Let's get started. From the Creator Studio, choose Create. We've already looked at the audio library and music policies, so I'll go straight into the video editor. Drag one of your videos to the work area, and you're ready to go. There are some quick fixes immediately available. I can apply filters to create an effect and add text. I can adjust the opacity and positioning of my text box. I'm going to turn the audio off so I can add my own audio track. I can also pan the audio track and adjust the bass and treble. A quick preview and I'm ready to move on by closing this pane. I'm going to drag more segments into my project. I can use my own or import some from Creative Commons. I can even add photos. Just add it to the mixing board, then click the plus sign or drag it into position. Clicking the scissors in the thumbnails will split that section of video. Next comes audio. I can preview these free musical selections and make my choice. Now I'm ready to add some transitions. I just drag them between the clips and drag the end bars to set the time. And finally, a title. I'll choose the effect I want, place it, then add my text. Let's take a look. When I'm happy with the result, I'll create the video. This can take a while depending on the length of your video. I'll open a new window and keep going. Let's take a look at another editing feature, captions and subtitles. Go to your video manager and find the video you want to add captions to. From the drop-down menu, select Subtitles and Closed Captions, then choose a language. I'm going to choose English so I can add closed captions. If I wanted subtitles, I would add Spanish or another language. From the drop-down menu, you can upload an audio file, but it needs text and time codes and must be in an acceptable format. You can also transcribe the audio into the text box. YouTube is set to automatically wait for you. Create new subtitles or closed captions allows you to choose where to add your captions. The only difference with adding subtitles is that the autosync option goes away as it is only available in closed captioning. The video editor in YouTube is basic but more than enough for many people. We can now edit our videos for a more custom look. In my next video, I'll look at two other editing features, annotation and cards. Thanks for watching.